Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. We're going to be talking about a very major event that's happening tomorrow, specifically around Bitcoin. But I want to talk to you real quickly before you tune me out. This is a Bitcoin event, but this has impact on every other cryptocurrency out there. Okay, so this event tomorrow is the B word event. That's what it's called. I'll drop a link below if you want to go check it out here in a little bit. But again, just stay with me for a few minutes because I've got some very important things to tell you related to this event. So what this is an event that some major speakers are going to be speaking at. If you're not familiar with this, I'll show you who those are in a minute. We'll break to that. But this is an event that is a big deal in the context of trying to demystify and clear up a lot of misconceptions around Bitcoin. And where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the cryptocurrency market shall follow. That's why it's important to you. So if you own SHIB, if you own Dogecoin, or if you don't own any Bitcoin, this matters to you as well. So, because I've said this in a lot of my videos, almost all my videos when I talk about, particular cryptos, is that they're all effectively tied to Bitcoin. When Bitcoin goes up, the other cryptos go up as well, and when it goes down, etc. And what we want is we want Bitcoin to continue to be adopted, accepted in mainstream, more retail buyers coming into Bitcoin, because that will drive overall interest into the market, as well as it'll continue to drive the price of Bitcoin up, which will help all of the other cryptocurrencies that we own go up as well. That's why it's important to you that you know about this and that you keep updated on this. And I'm going to be covering this event as well as the ensuing news and impact and fallout in a positive way from this event. So that's why I wanted to bring it to you. So with all that said, let's go take a look at what I've got for you and dive into this. All right. Thank you for your support as well. And this video is for entertainment purposes only. Real quickly, in case you're interested, links below. My Patreon group, 2 levels, Inner Circle supporter level. At the Inner Circle level, you get access to my portfolio. You see what I'm holding, what I'm buying. In fact, I just let my Inner Circle people know today about a particular new crypto that I'm buying, as well as I give you hot crypto tips at the Inner Circle level, letting you know about some hot new cryptos that I see coming out. This is content that I do not share on my YouTube channel, and as well as both levels get access to my Discord group, my private community. All right, so let's take a look. The overall state of the union right now is Bitcoin's hovering around 29,766. Actually, it's moved up just a little bit. Okay, Ethereum at 1789. As I've said before, this is an important event tomorrow because this is going to help continue to raise the awareness of Bitcoin, and also, I think, deal with some misconceptions and things that are out there about Bitcoin, and really trying to frankly bring Bitcoin into more of the mainstream. Okay, so I'll show you that here in a minute. But right now, 29,000. Bitcoin, I do think, will continue to go down a little bit because the overall market is in a downward cycle right now. The bears are unequivocally in control. There's your word of the day, unequivocally. They're in control, and I think we'll continue to see that for a little bit of time, okay? But this event tomorrow could potentially be the spark to get kind of back and maybe getting into the bull run scenario, okay? So, excuse me, the event is called the B word, and it's how institutions can embrace Bitcoin. I love that the messaging is extremely succinct and extremely point on about what they're trying to accomplish, okay? And so what they're trying to accomplish is right here about the B word. The B word is a Bitcoin-focused initiative that aims to demystify and destigmatize mainstream narratives about Bitcoin. Explain how, explain how institutions can embrace it and raise awareness around areas of the network that need support. The B word will launch at 9 a.m. Pacific time. That's basically California time. And that would be 12 o'clock East Coast, New York time on July 21, 2021, tomorrow. Offering a live experience and a library of content to the investor community, enabling a more informed discussion about the role Bitcoin can serve for institutions across the globe. And you can register now here. So featured speakers, in case you didn't know this, our buddy Elon, Cathie Wood. If you don't know who Cathie Wood is, Cathie is the founder, CEO, and CIO of ARK Invest, one of the predominant ETF companies on the planet. And when Cathie Wood talks, everybody listens. Extremely bright lady, and the company she's put together is A+. And I own some of their ETF funds. Jack Dorsey, CEO of Square. Jack has really been the champion of Bitcoin and has continued to do that. Some others, John Newberry, Adam Beck, Lynn Alden, Nick Carter. So this is the lineup for tomorrow, okay? And so what this is again, it's really straightforward. It's an event to help Bitcoin get institutional adoption. What are institutions? Hedge funds, big companies like that. As well as I firmly believe this is a narrative to get more companies to begin carrying Bitcoin as an asset on their books. Similar, remember, to what Tesla did. Remember when Tesla bought $1.5 billion of Bitcoin and they basically carry it as an asset on their accounting books, an asset that they know will appreciate, right? Versus, say, having cash as an example. Okay, and so that's what the B word is, and I think that part of the dialogue will be, hey, trying to get more companies, in addition to institutions, buying it and being involved with Bitcoin, trying to get also companies, to start to carry Bitcoin as an asset on their books. So this is another article about it. Elon Musk, Jack Dorsey, Kathy Wood to discuss Bitcoin at the B word. Let me see. So we know that, and how it came to be was Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk had a very public tweet conversation about it. Let's have the talk for the Bit Curious. Very well, then let's do it. That was back in the late June. So again, we know that it's going to start tomorrow at 12 p.m. East Coast time. This conversation in particular is poised to be very interesting, as Musk has recently been the focus of much of the Bitcoin community and its outside observers. I think it's awesome that Elon's doing this. Elon garnered attention by changing his Twitter bio to Bitcoin in January. Tesla invested $1.5 billion in February. He suspended a policy of Tesla accepting Bitcoin payments over misunderstandings about Bitcoin's energy use in May, and then he capitulated on that in June. I mean, that one paragraph. There's a lot of moving parts to it, right? So this appears to be an opportunity for Dorsey, Jack Dorsey, CEO of Square, an outspoken advocate for Bitcoin, to eliminate Musk on some of Bitcoin's nuances and guide his thinking on public statements in a more positive direction, which is a good thing. All right. The more positive press we get for Bitcoin, guess what? The overall market reacts accordingly. All of our cryptocurrencies rise. Okay. Dorsey seems to be a good candidate for this challenge. He's very knowledgeable on the subject and seems to have Musk's respect. So like right here, this is Jack and him having a conversation at Elon. If Bitcoin needs anything, it's more white papers than this one. At Square and at our ARK Invest team up to argue for Bitcoin as a key driver for renewable energy. Hate reading, here's a nutshell version. And Elon responded, replying, true. Okay, so again, it's going to have some other presenters. We've already covered that. Okay, so my point to you is this is an event that is bigger than Bitcoin. It is, okay, which is why I'm covering it on my channel. And also, you need to know that this is here. You need to know that this is something that is coming. And I will continue to bring you more information about this, because I think, again, you can't just look at the crypto market and just look at Shiba Inu or look at Dogecoin or Cardano or Polygon or Polkadot or whatever you want to look at. You have to look at the overall market. You have to look at Bitcoin. You have to look at Ethereum, and you have to be aware of them and to know what is going on in the overall market conditions. And that's why I'm bringing you this video. All right. Thank you for your time. I genuinely appreciate your support, and I'll see you later. Take it easy. Bye.